Hello, JAHREEMA again. Our story for today is entitled Simon Loves the Rain. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Hart. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plunk, plunk, plunk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. What color is Simon's umbrella? His umbrella is purple. You can see that in the picture. What type of day is it outside in the story? It is a rainy day. What does Mom give Simon? She gave him his umbrella. What color is Simon's hat? His hat is yellow. JAHREEMA, this ends our story. Until next time.